Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do the Sims 4 YouTuber, create that YouTuber challenge. So we're going to start with Afmal. Afmal, and you guys can see her name, but I do have it right there. See there. Let me fix this. Okay. Only I can hear it, but I know Afmal loves animals, and she's cheerful, and she loves cantaloupes. Let's make her now, because this is not Afmal at all. I'm gonna randomize her face. Let's find some of my custom content. It's not in here, sad. Well, I can't find my custom content. We're just gonna use pretty hair. Take a dark purple. It's like black then to purple. Yep, I cannot. It's like this, but like darker. I don't know. No, like this. Let's fix her face. Pretty. Fix her eyebrows. Make them pretty. Pretty thin eyebrows. No, her makeup. Yeah. I know what Afmal wears. She wears pretty stuff. That's what makes her Afmal. Like that. To her cheeks. That one, that's fine. Let's go back to makeup. Cheeks. Not too much blush. Just enough blush to make her pretty. Face paint. No. Eyeliner. Oh, no. Too much eyeliner. Oh my god. No. No. I don't like this hat. Take that off. There we go. Let's go with a shirt. Let's get her pants quick. I'm just gonna put on random pants so I can find good pants. That's cute. Let's make it purple. Shoes! Best part about shoes. Scrolling all the way up. Just to see what they are. Okay. Accessories! Like for cats and dogs accessories. No one wants this stuff. I only want cats and dogs. This one. It's cute. It's like a little cat. This arm. No, I want this one. Oh, it has to be like that. Okay, well. This one. Can it be purple? Oh my god, it can. This one. It can be purple. Yay! Okay. I like this so far. Fix her face. Oh. I'm trying to fix. Her eyes aren't any of these. Help. I need an orange color. That does not orange. Not too big, not too wide. Nice and pretty. Let's randomize. Oh, that's cute. Next one. Randomize. No. No, I'm gonna do a shirt. Oh, that's cute. Next one. I'm gonna do 5. That's good enough. I'll change the color to black. This one. I'll do this because I'll just do this. It's cute. That's cute. I don't want the hat. It's only this that is very sad. Make her comfy, but cute at the same time. Nice comfy pants. Boom! FML complete. Next will be animals. We're gonna do Jet. I love Jet. Everyone loves Jet. Yeah! Ew. No. Corgi. No, I just want Corgi, please. Jet! Done! Jet is friendly. Playful. But he is not a grown, he is a grown boy. Jet. Jet. Okay. Cute little Jet's nose. It has beautiful big ears. Aww. These are Jet ears. Yes. Yeah. Look how cute he is. I don't have the paint. That's the best part. He's a sweet little corgi. That's what Jet is. Does Jet have a collar on? I don't believe so. So I'm gonna put a bandana on him. That's cute. Very cute. I'm gonna go with red. Matches Papa. Oh, matches Papa. Oh, how cute. No, I want to put that vest on him. Can I do that? No? Sad. Oh my god, he can have a dress. Oh, he can be a little shark. Afro will love. Jess will love. Love me. Chubby Jet. Buff puppy. Too buff. Next one. Off to the kitten. Is it Jax? I think it's Jax. I don't remember. Please shut up, please. We're trying to find a breed. Jax looks like this, but without a stub. This. Oh my god. Wait, what if I put in... Panda does not show up. Okay. There you go. And he is very fluffy. Jax is very fluffy. Jax. I don't know how to spell his name. Kitty. I'm just going to call him Kitty for now. because I don't know his name. Don't remember. What is this? He's spoiled. No, he's playful, friendly, and boom. His eyes are green. It's very hard to make my favorite YouTubers pets. Next up, you guys might know, but I'll let y'all guess who this is. Looking for the breed. What breed is this? I don't know. The Berlin Husky. Can you please stop moving? I'm trying to do something to you. Paint. Oh, how cute. Next one. Here is this, guys. Comment down below who you guys know who this is. This is Afma's love. Can you stop moving your tail? Thank you. I need to see under his tail. Let me see your tail. Oh no! Looks like you're bleeding. I'll fix that. We only have 5 more minutes until I have to end this video. So hopefully we can finish before this video ends. Let me see your back paws. Yep, I knew it. Oh no, someone just texted me. I texted someone on our chat, but still. Oh my god, my brother's video. That's loud. But I don't think you guys can hear it, so it's fine. Not copyrighted anymore. See your back paws. Looks like he killed someone. No. His legs are getting cut off by the screen. Oh no, I only have 3 more minutes. Okay. I only have 3 more minutes to oh no, I only have 2 more minutes. Wait, no, I still have 3. Never mind. Okay, guys. So I only have 15 minutes to complete this. If you guys know who this is, please comment down below. I bet Chloe doesn't know who this is, because she doesn't watch AFMAO. She says she does, but then she don't. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, next one. Oh, wait, no. Loyal. If you guys guess that this is Aaron, you are correct. Next one. Doing kawaii-chan. Let's do this. Let's pick a very sweet kitty. Kawaii-chan shall be a nice, sweet kitty. Oh no, I just put a little lipstick on it. Oh no, is this a boy? Yes, this is a female. Okay, I have to check on this one though. Is he a male? Yep. Is Jet a male? Nope, Jet, you're a male now. Are you a male? No, you must be a male. Okay. Now, let's continue with Kawaii-chan. Kawaii-chan. That's what Melissa called her. Guys, put in the comments. Whip Melissa. We love you, Melissa. Everyone does. Need you fully white. Yes! Pink. Favorite light pink. I messed up already. Need you very white. Then pink. Do her face.